300 tariff to China, US business still choose Chinese factory. Here's why.
This American said that even if the United States raises tariffs on China to 300%, he is still willing to pay for it. Why?
Or even a 200 or 300% tariff would still not make me or almost any other business move to American manufacturing for these sort of products.
American entrepreneur admit
US factories charge 800% more for packaging. Mexican molds cost 50x China's price. Even with tariffs, Chinese manufacturing slays the competition.
Let's break it down. Custom molds 500 in China, reverse 25,000 in Mexico.
The Mexican company that made the mold part probably bought it from China for $500.
In China, there's no label plate fit. Ordinary label is 5 cents. Super high quality costs 25 cents. In the US, the label plate fit is 7,000. Print label is $2.
By printers in the US are outrageous. They wanted $7,000 to build the plates, and then they wanted $2 per label to print this little bitty label. $2 per label. In China, there's no setup fee at all. The cheaper labels are 5 cents a label, and the ultra high quality label that I wanted, 25 cents. Once again, 800% more expensive to have it made in the United States.
So the truth is, 300 tariff can be Chinese cost advance. Why is China manufacturing industry so strong? Full industry ecosystem, molds, parts, packaging under one roof. Cost killer, scale/price even small order get rock bottom rate. Speed demo, China's 3 days out of the sample and the United States to build factory for several years. To bet on the policy that may disappear at any time, which is stronger or weaker, it is clear. Need parts or molds? Save 80% with Chinese factory. Click get a code, 1 piece order, 2 hour course, 3 day prototype, 5,000 packs a week.